In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload YouTube Shorts on a PC. Firstly, go to studio.youtube.com and log in with your YouTube account. This gives you access to your YouTube dashboard where you can manage your videos and uploads. At the top right corner, click on Create button, camera icon with a plus. From the drop-down, select Upload Videos. Now, click Select Files and upload your video file. This video must meet the following criteria, which is 60 seconds or less, or format is vertical, ideally 916 or square 11, but not ideal. On the next screen, fill out the title, description, and hashtags, and choose a custom thumbnail or let YouTube pick one automatically. Set the audience type and add to a playlist if needed. Now, choose your visibility setting, public, unlisted, which is only people with the link can view, or private, only you can view. And when you're done, just click publish, and that's it. Your YouTube Shorts is now live on your channel. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.